Superior function. The round classic waffle maker is professional quality for home use. Bakes one large traditional-style Belgian waffle at a time with 4/4 and extra deep waffle pockets. Easy to use. 6-setting adjustable browning control with audible alert. You can choose your waffle's specific cook temp. Nonstick coated waffle grids easily release waffles and make cleaning effortless. Must-have features: red and green, ready to bake, ready to eat, indicator lights. You've also got 1-inch deep batter pockets for thick delicious waffles. Also stands on end for compact storage. Included: instruction manual and recipe book with several recipes to get you started. Limited 3-year warranty. Refer to user manual for troubleshooting steps and questions surrounding warranty policies. This product is BPA free. Top reviews from the United States. Great waffle maker. We needed a new waffle maker, since my daughter borrowed my old one and never returned it. I really like my new one though. Easy to use and it makes great waffles. I did the first batch on 4, but to get more crispy results I turned it to 5 with the second batch. I would say 4.5-5 gets good results. It always depends on the recipe. I used the same recipe both times. The batter was thicker, which is easier to put on and spread a little. I love it. No mess. Very easy to wipe after use.